cracking open this 2014 599 Ferrari on
H-Dub 50.
So, without further ado, we're going to be cracking this open. We welcome everybody online. We are live right now, and we're going to do this.
Right now.
Yeah.
Right now. This was part of a super treasure hunt subscription. I think it was like a holiday box. There was three of them, 599XX, and I believe it was the Cool Combi Super and one more Super that I was supposed to get. This one is here late, so because of the pandemic, there was some shipping and provider delays that they were getting their stuff from. So they decided to let us know it's coming late and extend the 3 month subscription into a 1 year subscription. And the thing is, I don't know what the other 9 cars are going to be, except the three
Yeah.
that was guaranteed. So this is the 599XX Super Treasure Hunt,
All
and
right.
this
So,
is
while
what
you're
I've been.
opening that, Red Dotson said that he traded one of those Super Ferraris and added a bit of cash for the 510 PRE RLC back then. So, wow. So, you sold one of the 599s and got some scripts for the PRE. That's pretty good, bro. That's a good trade off, bro. I'm assuming because your name is Rare Dotson, so if it was Rare Ferrari, then hey. But I would do that.
Yeah.
And a big package said, I got a trade package waiting for you, boss, too. All right, we'll talk later, brother. We'll talk later. There goes
Okay.
the car.
There it is. There it is. Cracked it open. So while you guys are talking, I'll just crack this open.
Now, you don't know. There's a red one like that, too, right? You don't have that one, right?
No, I don't have either one. Uh, I know that the red one is the more expensive one, but it's the black one that I really wanted.
Well, actually, the black one looks sick, but I
Yeah.
like the black one because I like how the tempos are. You know what I mean? It's not overly gaudy, and what Ferrari is. You know what I mean? You cannot have a what is that? A $1.2 million car and a thing ugly. So that's the black one is nice.
Yeah.
I believe the Ferrari one ain't even Ferrari red, right? Isn't it like a Spectra Flame red?
I think so. I don't know for sure. I didn't know that there was a red one until I think somebody asked me um whether I knew which one was coming. And I was like, I just assumed that it was the black one.
Oh
Um,
yeah, because there is two. There's a black and a red one.
yeah. So it's
Different. I don't think it's the same year though. It's a different. Like that came out 2014, and the red one came out another time. Yeah,
yeah.
see, I can see get the rim trimming around it.
Yep.
That looks nice. As far as score, I guess the pandemic was good for some things. Yeah,
Yeah.
3 extra months, nice. So yeah, I guess as far was talking about the your membership. Yeah, they sent us a lot of stuff late, but with all
Yeah.
my grumbling, we at least got some. They tried to make up for it.
Yeah. So like the first year of Super Treasure Hunt subscription that I bought, I think it was the 2019 year with the
Yeah,
I think it was the T2 truck. Um
yeah.
that whole year I never opened them up because I had no clue how they were coming, how often they were coming, and the company had ended up combining months, so it would get something every 3 months. So we were struggling to find stuff to do while this stuff was coming in. So I ended up thinking we were just gonna do an end of the year opening and crack all 12 Super Treasure Hunts open, but we ended up not getting to that either
Yeah.
because the next year we had all that other subscriptions.
Red Dotson says, ouch. Rick Patrick says, ouch. There goes $100 in
Yeah.
value. Rick Patrick, the Ferrari Super will always be worth money since Mattel lost the license agreement. Yep,
Yep.
that is true. That is true. Steven, yeah, fish, barra fish. Red Dotson, I hate when sellers ship in envelopes.
Oh yeah, yeah, me
Tell
too.
it me, bro. Hell yeah.
That's why
You
Greg.
can't even see our outtakes
Yeah.
when I got one like that. John can't tell you, but yeah,
So
that's a whole different video.
so Greg Patrick, that's interesting. You bring up the license with Mattel. I think Ferrari signed exclusively with Barago. Now, with Barago having the exclusive license, I have no clue how Maisto was able to get that.
Yeah, I don't know how Maestro beat out Mattel.
Yeah, that just nearly rolled off the table.
Yeah, again, we can't have a video without us dropping that.
Yeah, I caught it though. I caught it.
That's good that you caught it, but it still fell off the table. So hey, we're still doing good. I think that's our luck. If you drop a super, we do good. If nothing goes wrong, I don't know what might happen. That'll be like a connection with the universe, bro.
Yeah, yeah. You know, as this Super 599XX spins around, let me take the Maisto off. Let's try and take a look at the headlights really well. If you guys can see it, I'll zoom in, adjust. I'll zoom in a lot. The only thing is the autofocus is getting the background. But if you're looking at the headlights, that's not glare. That actually is paint that chipped off.
What?
Yeah, that's paint chipped off. So, I don't know if you can see it, but
you got a chip on your freaking Super?
You see the corner there inside the blister? There was, I remember seeing this one before I opened it. That's paint. That's paint chipping off. And you can see it on the card. See that right there?
I can't see it, but in about 10 minutes I will. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. A small piece on the corner?
No, it's right to the left and below the flame symbol. It's a small little...
Yeah, I see it.
Small little chip.
And
so...
I'm trying to notice it. I'm looking at the picture online.
Yeah, when the YouTube buffering catches up, you can see it. You'll see it on that.
That sucks. See, I'm looking at the Maestro version, and I'm looking at the Super, like the Maestro's version is satin finish, and of course the Super is immaculate. But I mean, I can't believe nothing against Maestro, but Greg Patrick said Tomica was doing it too.
Yeah, and I think there was some convention cars, a few years of convention cars from Matchbox that had the Gathering of Friends logo on there, and the paint just bubbled off the top, so that's where the logo was. And if you spend a lot of money for it, it's worth nothing now.
Well, that really sucks.
Yeah.
Red Dotson says Kyosho also has a 164 Ferraris kit that's a loophole to make Ferraris too. Yeah, I guess so, because it's not put together. So
yeah.
If it's in pieces, yeah. And then Greg Patrick says, yeah, I read that there are paint issues with the Hot Wheels Ferrari Supers. Funny, huh?
Yeah.
How the super expensive ones get paint issues and the cheap dollar ones no more. Why is that?
All right.